What's going on? So before the video starts, I just wanted to go ahead and say that I am actually back from Flagstaff. I'm in Kentucky. But these next few videos are still going to be from Flagstaff. I have like 3 or 4 left from that trip that I'm going to upload. I didn't want to let the content go to waste just because I'm already back. So without further ado, I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you enjoy the next couple videos from Flagstaff. Good afternoon, everybody. Today we have a special segment called Cooking with Garrett. How are we doing today, Garrett? Please tell us what you got, what ingredients we have, and what you're cooking.
Alright, right now I'm making the seasoning to go on the fish. I'm making fish tacos. We got tilapia fillets.
Okay.
Alright, we got the flour and the corn tortillas. Bro.
Oh, shit.
That shit's gone.
That's gone. So we just have the
Oh, shit.
just continue. What else?
Alright, we're gonna make pico de gallo with the fresh cilantro. Right here, the tomatoes, limes, onions. We're gonna make a sauce out of sour cream, mayo, sriracha, and lime sauce.
Okay.
And then, if anybody wants a side, we have brown and ball rice.
You see? Alright, there we go. There we go, Jonah. Ah, you got it. Nice. These are the
Step by step. Alright, right now I already said we're making the seasoning to go on the fish. We're gonna bake the fish in the oven.
So what are you putting in the bowl?
Alright, we've got some chili powder because we don't have any cumin. We've got ground cayenne pepper and salt and pepper. It's pretty basic, but it's really good.
A little more. Half. Okay, that's. So are we putting the plastic fishies in the bowl?
You gotta let it all out first.
How you gonna do that?
Water.
Okay.
Alright, we got the taco sauce that's gonna go on top of the fish tacos. We got some mayo, sour cream, sriracha sauce, garlic powder, and lime. And it is amazing.
It is really amazing. It's gonna be good.
Alright, so now the fish is thawed, and we're just gonna put it on the pan, put the seasoning on it, a little bit of butter, olive oil, and then throw it in the oven for 375 for 20 minutes.
Alright.
Chris? Oh, Mr. Chris.
Last one. Look at that. Oh.
Alright, dinner served.
Now what are we doing?
Alright, we're just gonna put a little bit of olive oil on them.
Is there a set amount? You just pour it? What kind of olive oil?
We have the classic great value olive oil, perfect for any occasion. Alright, right here we got the seasoning that we made earlier. It smells amazing. And we're just gonna put a little bit on the fish.
So now you're adding butter. What's the butter for?
The fish.
Okay. Yeah, okay. Why are you putting butter on it?
Just give it a little more flavor and make it a little bit like toast it a little bit better.
Okay. Oh shit, that's a lot of butter. That's a lot of butter. Oh! Now, all right.
We just pop them boys in the oven.
What'd you preheat it to?
375.
Okay. And now.
27 minutes. 26 and a half minutes.
All right. We'll see you then. And we're back. Let's see what we're working with.
I think it's second highest. I feel like I get unlimited swipes or whatever.
Look at.
like 4.
Compliments to the chef, baby. Look at the sizzle. What's that? What is that? Alright, now that we got it out of the oven, it's cooled down a little bit. So what are we doing? We slicing it up?
Yeah, we're cutting it in little pieces so we can put it on the tacos easier.
Okay. I guess that makes sense, I think. Alright, Garrett, you know the rules. Get one bite.
Amazing.
Boys! Dinner! Fuck! Come get your shit! Get your asses over here and eat the goddamn food I made for you right now! Go!
Okay, boomer.
I say,
If you don't get your ass out of that team 5 seconds, I'm turning the game off! 5, 4... That's what I fucking thought!
you better get out of this noise right now.
I'm coming.
Take that shit off and get up right now! I'll rip your off! Get your ass over here! I need to show you how to make a goddamn taco!
I volunteer Logan to be a boy. Logan's got me.
Alright! So you take your goddamn tortilla shell, and then you put your f***ing fish on it. And then you get your cilantro. And then your onion.
Onion.
Your onion. And your f***ing coleslaw.
Boschmal.
And the fucking tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
And then Mama's secret sauce. You put that on the f***ing taco, and then you sprinkle a little bit of this moldy cheese on it. I don't know where it came from, but I found it. And that's it. And if you want a little seasoning, then you can put a little bit of spices on them. Oh yeah. And that's your taco.
How's your taco instructions?
Dude, looks good. Can't wait. Clear.
Come over here and fix the goddamn tacos! I got a headache! You little shits!
This dude Hunter though. Oh my god. Basically on it.
Cause my fucking throat hurts!
How's it look, boys?
It looks good.
I think the soup looks better, you know?
Your soup! Fuck your chicken noodle soup!
Hey, you better watch it! That soup took me 5 hours to make!
It's still
You know what?
What?
You know what?
You little